Going on a first date can feel intimidating, but with some preparation, you can ease those nerves and have a good time. Whether you're planning the outing or your date is, choose an engaging activity like hiking or visiting a museum, rather than the usual dinner and a movie to help alleviate the pressure of conversation. Remember to boost your confidence beforehand, perhaps with a pep talk or by recalling a past success. Ensure you give yourself enough time to get ready without rushing and confirm the meeting time and place to avoid any miscommunication. When you meet, greet your date warmly with a smile, maintain eye contact to show your interest, and, if comfortable, sit close to enhance the connection. Lastly, be mindful of both your own and your date's boundaries regarding physical closeness, allowing for a comfortable and enjoyable experience for both of you.